Artificial intelligence, it's everywhere from composing symphonies to creating stunning digital art. AI is changing the game. But here's the big question. Can AI ever truly replace human creativity? Welcome to today's debate on AI and human creativity. Hey everyone. In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating and controversial topic of AI versus human creativity. Is AI the future of innovation, or is it stealing the soul of creativity as we know it? Stick around as we explore both sides of this debate, share real-world examples, and ask you to weigh in with your thoughts. Segment 1. What is creativity? Let's start with a simple question. What is creativity? Most would say it's the ability to produce something original, meaningful, and emotionally resonant. But how do we define that in the context of AI? AI doesn't feel, doesn't dream, and doesn't experience life like humans do so. Can it really be creative? Here's where it gets interesting. AI creativity is often defined by its ability to analyze patterns, learn styles, and generate content that mimics or even surpasses human efforts. But does mimicking equal creating? Let's break it down. Segment 2. The case for AI in creativity. AI has already proven it can create. It can generate countless ideas, leaving humans to focus on refining and enhancing them. This collaboration could redefine creativity entirely. Segment 3. The case against AI in creativity. But let's not forget the human side of the story. Critics argue that AI lacks originality because it draws from existing data. It doesn't have emotions, experiences, or the unique perspectives that make human creativity so powerful. Motions, experiences, or the unique perspectives that make human creativity so powerful. Think about this. When you look at a painting or hear a song, you're connecting with the artist's story, their struggles, their triumphs. Can an algorithm ever replicate that deep emotional connection? Many say no. Segment 4. The middle ground. Collaboration. So, what if we didn't frame this as a battle? What if AI and humans could work together? AI as a tool, not a replacement. For instance, AI can brainstorm ideas, and humans can refine them. AI can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up time for creative exploration. Collaboration could lead to a new era of creativity where human ingenuity and AI efficiency come together for amazing results. At the end of the day, the debate over AI and human creativity isn't about choosing sides, it's about finding balance. AI has the potential to enhance what we do, but it can never replace the heart, soul, and emotion that only humans bring to creativity. Now, it's your turn. What do you think? Is AI a tool for greater creativity, or is it a threat to human artistry? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking discussions. See you in the next video.